Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 13-inch non-stick wok with lid. A versatile kitchen essential made from premium carbon steel and pre-seasoned at over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit using nitrogen treatment for a naturally non-stick surface. This innovative wok comes with a standable glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting it and saving counter space by standing upright when not in use. Whether you're cooking on an electric, induction, or gas stove, the flat bottom design ensures stability, making it perfect for stir-frying, frying, stewing, and even deep frying. The detachable handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, providing excellent control during cooking and making it easy to store or transport for outdoor cooking adventures. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply wipe it with a sponge and warm soapy water, or pop it in the dishwasher for added convenience. This wok is not just a cooking tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.